We can't upload luck. We can't download time. Google can't give all the answers in life. So just log into reality and like the status of your life. Master your words. Master your thoughts. Master your emotions. Never allow your body to do harm. Follow these roads with purity, and you will find yourself upon the one way. Your mind is a magnet. If you think of blessings, you attract blessings. And if you think of problems, you attract problems. Always cultivate good thoughts, and always remain positive and optimistic. Everything in life is temporary, so if things are going good, enjoy it because it won't last forever. And if things are going bad, don't worry, it can't last forever either. A seed grows with no sound, but a tree falls with a huge noise. Destruction has noise, but creation is quiet. This is the power of silence. Grow silently. Life is about becoming the better version of yourself. Behind the pain is a lesson. Behind the sorrow is hope. Behind the struggle is courage. The will to win, the desire to succeed, the urge to reach your full potential. These are the keys that will unlock the door to personal excellence. We must be willing to change our belief system, let the past slip away, expand our sense of now, and dissolve the fear in our minds. For the people who tried to bring me down, you made me stronger than I was. No hate, but there are some people I'm glad I'm not close anymore. You just have to be yourself and go full with confidence and be courageous. Just believe in yourself, be persistent, and don't let anyone break your confidence. Believe in yourself and your feelings. Trust yourself to do what your heart is guiding you to do. Your intuition is powerful. Trust it. The best part about life is every morning you have a new opportunity to become a happy version of yourself. Do good to yourself. This life is yours. Take the power to choose what you want to do and do it well. Take the power to control your own life. No one else can do it for you. Take the power to make your life happy. Flow like water. Even though the largest rocks may stand in its way, water will always find a way to get through it. Give people time. Give people space. Don't beg anyone to stay. Let some roam. What's meant for you will always be yours. Everyone has untold stories of pain and sadness that make them love. Stop judging. Instead, try to understand. The greatest life lesson has been that life can change in a second. This is why it's important to always live your best possible life and to do what you can for others. When your arms can't reach people who are close to your heart, always hug them with your prayers. To make a woman want to have sex with you, the first thing you need to do is make her feel sexually attracted to you. You can get everything in life you want if you will help enough other people to get what they want. Do not store dreams in your eyes. They may roll down with tears. Store them in your heart. Each heartbeat will inspire you to fulfill them. Thank you for watching this video.